immediately the bells, and everybody
piles into the church.
very quick.
And locks
Very
the door
quick.
behind them. Yeah.
Of course. This is Alba Iglesia. In 1400 it was first mentioned, and from this is coming the name of the village. Deutsch-Weißkirch, Saas-Ferechhazo, and Viskri in Romanian.
Nice. White church in German.
White church in German.
Marvellous door.
It is a very simple church, and our daughter, she finds some rules from 1640, how the community was organized and what they have been allowed to do and what not. For example, if somebody during the service was snoring and your second neighbor would hear you, you have to pay a fine.
So it's okay if you fall asleep, but you must do so very quietly.
Very quietly, yes.
And presumably there was a pecking order in terms of where people sat in the church.
Yes, this we are respecting also today, even if we are 8, 9 people. For example, the young ladies, they sit in the back, and when you get older, you move more in the front. After 80-year-old, you have to sit here close to the angel of death. This is the last station alive. It is preparing you
For the afterlife.
for the afterlife.
How extraordinary. That shows a very healthy, business-like attitude to mortality, really.
Look at this.